Story time, folks. I don't know if you guys saw my other story time or tip of the day or whatever the hell it was when I said, you know, when you're sick, you go to work. And I think I jinxed myself because I feel like shit. I'm coughing. I'm a fucking mess. But I'm working. What are you going to do? Stay home? No, you don't stay home. You go to work. Anyway, quick story time, folks. Years ago, I was juggling $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. I mean, supporting my family when I first got into the business. It was insane. But let me turn this down here. But now, I get a few bucks together and do one of my first big deals. To me, it was a big deal. So I go out and I buy a Q45 Infiniti, which at the time was a really nice car. It was burgundy with a tan leather interior. The car was spotless. I think I paid like $4,000 for it. Okay? So I'm like, beautiful. This fucking things are in the auction for like $6,500. I can't go wrong. Car does 55, 6,000. It doesn't matter. I'm in the money. So now I take the car, and at the time I had a tow dolly. You know, I had a little bullshit truck, tow dolly, and I bring him. I was running around by myself, you know. Stuntman was doing his own thing in the car business. We were kind of bouncing around, just getting a feel for the business, you know. And I take the car, I put on the tow dolly, put the car in neutral, fucking haul ass down to the auction. I bring it to Bordentown, New Jersey, right? I'm like, beautiful. So I stop on the way. I go to the service station, get myself something to drink. I get myself something to eat on the way. So when I get there, I'm not starving to death. Nothing, right? Just boom, right there. No problem. Easy day. Got a good number. So I get to the auction, right? And I drop the car off the tow dolly. I roll it back. Roll it off the tow dolly. I'm like, all right, put the ramps up. I'm ready to drive it in. I put it in drive. Nothing. Put the car in fucking reverse. Nothing. I go, oh my God, you gotta be fucking kidding me. I get under the car and I start sniffing around. And I smell like a hot transmission. I put my hand on the transmission. It's fucking boiling hot. I'm like, no fucking way! I just roasted the fucking tranny on this fucking car! I put every fucking dime I had into it! I'm like, motherfucker! I'm out of my mind. I don't get crazy like I used to. I was fucking cursing everything, everybody I looked at. It was fucking insane. I can't even get the car through the fucking auction. It won't even... I said, let me let this motherfucker cool down. Maybe by some miracle the fucking tranny will come back. Let me add a little fluid. Nothing worked. I said, my fucking God, you gotta be kidding me, man. You've got it. I'm looking at this guy. Why? So, what the fuck am I gonna do? I'm fucked. I got all my money into this fucking car. I'm expecting to blow it out, get a fucking check, and go out the next day and start making money again, buying more cars, whatever. I'm like, this can't be. So I take the fucking car and I tow it home. I got no choice. What am I gonna do? So I'm sitting there fucking starving, no money, and and everything's locked up in this fucking piece of shit now. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So what do? I don't have no money to fix a transmission. That's not happening, period. I take the car, I wipe it down, clean it up, and I run an ad in Car Buyers Market. It was free. A free ad in Car Buyers Market. Car Buyers Market was any of you guys that are local, Tri-State, Connecticut, I think PA, New York, Connecticut. I think that's what they used to do. Put a fucking free ad, and I'm fucking biting my fingernails, man. The phone ain't ringing. I'm like, I'm fucked. I put the fucking thing for $5,900. Needs transmission work. Phone ain't ring. Next thing you know, I get a phone call from a guy. He's like, yeah, I'm calling about the Q45. I'm like, yeah. Car's mint. I lay it out for him. I go, listen, my friend, the car is fucking beautiful. Transmission's got problems. It's gonna need a rebuild. I'm not trying to bullshit. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. He goes, I got a guy at a transmission shop. I ain't worried about it. I said, oh my God, my heart's fucking pounding. I go, he goes, you negotiable with the price? I said, listen to me, my friend, come down, we'll talk. I'll do the best I can for you. Guy comes to my house, fucking looks at the car, walks around it. He goes, listen, man, I'm going to tell you what I could pay, and I can't pay a dime more. Because I'll give you $5,000. Of course, I did the old. You got to do that. You got to make the fucking face. This is the face. You sure you can't do a little better? Guy, this transmission's a lot of money to fix. He goes, you know, there's no way I can do any more. I said, you got money now? He goes, yeah, I got cash on me. I said, you got a deal. I shake his hand. Wow, now I'm back in business. But let me tell you something. I had to fucking sweat it out because now you run the ad. This is the paper. This isn't fucking Craigslist, okay? You run the ad, and it takes a week for that fucking ad to come out. And then I'm sweating it out for 3, 4, 5 days that the ad's running. Nobody's calling me. This fucking guy came out of nowhere. Like a fucking... It was a miracle. Let's put it that way. And I was back in fucking business. But let me tell you something, folks. This shit still isn't easy. Back then, oh my God. Stupid fucking mistakes you make that cost you a lot of money and a lot of time. Now, I would have told the motherfucker backwards. Lock the wheel, fucking take the key out, the wheel ain't going anywhere, you tow it backwards. It was a rear-wheel drive fucking car. I knew it was a rear-wheel drive car, but I thought neutral was good enough. Apparently, it wasn't. The motherfucker jumped, bouncing in and out of drive or whatever the fuck the case was. When I looked at it, it was still in neutral. Shit happens. Like, comment, subscribe, folks. Just another day in the car business.